Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best beginner tennis rackets. After hours of researching, we have selected the best beginner tennis racket and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Yonex Ezone 100L. This frame delivers a terrific balance of power, spin, and control once you refine your technique. The isometric head shape does require some getting used to if it's not your first racket. But as Yonex frames become more popular, more players are sticking with them because they are such strong all-arounders. Easy to generate power and spin while swinging quickly. Yonex produces high-quality rackets, and their paint job is unmatched. Vibration reduction arm vibrations are reduced by mesh. Number 2. Head Gravity S. The Head Gravity S has the largest head size on my list, so it offers a little bit more power and forgiveness than my other picks. If you're a racket nerd, you know that bigger heads have greater power, but for the purposes of this piece, let's keep things straightforward. Due to the sub 310 swing weight, which enables beginners to generate lots of swing pace, resulting in both power and spin, this frame will be useful to them. Additionally, it has a relatively low stiffness rating of 61 RA, which makes it feel more arm-friendly than many other rackets in this spec range. Friendly to arms. Low-ish swing weight makes it simple for people of all shapes and sizes to swing. Greater forgiveness is possible with off-center impacts with larger heads. Number 3. Yonex Vcore 100L. According to Tolentino, the Yonex Vcore 100L is an excellent option for novices because to its great quality as well as the fact that it satisfies all of the necessary criteria. It includes a frame that is 100 square inches in size and a sweet spot that is 7% larger than the brand's earlier versions, both of which should help you improve your shot frequency and accuracy. The frame is made out of graphite, which is a material that is inherently lightweight and is good at absorbing shock. This adds another wonderful touch to the product. Number 4. Head Titanium Tie S5. You need not look any further than the Head Titanium Tie S5 Comfort Zone if you are looking for something that is rather simple to use right from the start. It is an extremely forgiving racket that enables you to concentrate on increasing your power rather than your errors. It has an enlarged frame that measures 107 square inches and already has the strings attached to it. The length of the racket, which measures 27.5 inches, is a half-inch longer than the typical length of rackets, which provides you with a little bit more reach so that you can hit the ball further away from your body. But I must warn you, there's a size restriction on the grips. Number 5. Babolat 2021 Pure Drive Tennis Racket. The Pure Drive is one of the most popular tennis rackets of all time, and players of all skill levels use it, from weekend warriors to ATP Tour pros. In most of my racket reviews on this site, I've mentioned feel of mutedness, launch angle, weight distribution, string spacing, etc. But if you're new to the game, I'm not sure if you'll understand or find these attributes relevant. Instead, I will explain why each racket is suitable for beginners, and the Pure Drive 2021 fits the criteria because it is simple to operate. At 100 square inches, it is forgiving, has ample power, and lies comfortably between the game enhancement racket and the typical player frame. Why have it on my list? Compatible with a variety of gameplay styles. Great cosmetics. Provides a great deal of power. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.